Welcome to Nick Kids Drawing. Today, we're gonna draw the most beautiful rose with coloring step by step. Let's start drawing first. I'm drawing the head. Drawing the mouth. It's time for coloring. Let's start coloring. I'm coloring it pink color. Orange color.